Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we will be talking about on how you could go ahead and change language on your Binance application. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the right Binance installed to your device. You could just go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store into your device. Go ahead and search Binance, and you have to make sure that you have installed the Binance Buy Bitcoin in Crypto application, because you can go ahead and get confused sometimes for the Binance T or Binance TH application. So after that, just go ahead and open up the official Binance application right here, and once inside, you could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on the Binance logo. You could just go ahead and see that right here beside the search icon. Now once inside, you will then have the ability to sign in, sign up, but we are here for the gear icon. You could just go ahead and see that at the corner of your screen right here. And once inside, you have in your general settings, you have the language, the currency, floating window, and the BNB discount. Of course, just go ahead and click on language right here. Go ahead and choose your preferred language, and in that way, you will be able to change your language on your Binance application. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.